Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, ooh, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you van.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm really excited. Looks like I got a box of J's in the mail, but I don't. I actually have the newest and final iteration of the Ergo.
Got him!
So for a while, you guys have been seeing me with the Gamma Ergo. That was a prototype. I've tried a bunch of different blades. I've had a bunch of different things. And overall, I've loved the machine. So I'm excited to see what do we got here. So I waited all day to unbox this with you guys so you guys could actually see what it looks like inside. Oh, yeah. Boy, when you open a package, you open a package. Wow. And as always with Gamma, everything's all about style with Gamma. So here's the real clipper. And let's see, I'm excited to see what kind of blade is on it. Whoa. Now that's cool. I like it in blue too. It's nice. So it looks like we get a couple different lids. Get it black, get it purple. You got a stand, so that's what I'm really most excited about. The stand is definitely gonna make this a lot easier. So, because I had the prototype version, so I didn't have the stand. And they even give you some tools. And look how nice and small the charger is. That's another thing I'm really happy about, because this isn't a very big charger, so I can actually put this in there. And we actually have some magnetic blades. So I just want to see what blades we actually have. If you guys were watching my blade video, you guys know I went hard on these blades. So we got the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are single magnetics. There's actually a lot of teeth on this. On this 0, it's a lot better than the Nano. Man, it fits good. Looks good. Black on blue. And it even says Ergo on this one. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited. I'll let you guys know what I think as I work with them some more. But I just wanted you guys to check out pretty much what you get. So this is what you get in the box. I really do believe these are one of the dopest new clippers to hit the market. It's been really fun working with them. I think any of you guys who try these, you will be impressed. And if you choose to try them, please use my code Eddie. You'll save 10%, get free shipping. It'll be a win-win for everybody, and you will support the YouTube Barber Academy. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube Barber Academy, and today I got my 2-month review of the Ergo clipper. So Gamma was kind enough to put this in my hand early. So here we finally have the final iteration of the Gamma clipper. But I want to share with you guys my previous 2 months, my experiences, what I think about it, how I feel about it, and give you the full in-depth review after 2 months. All right, you guys, let's list all the pros, all the cons, and at the end of this video, I'll give you my final recommendation. But the very first thing that I absolutely love about this clipper is how quiet it is. Listen. So when you have that shy child or that old person who thinks that clipper means bald, you're not gonna scare them away, and it's gonna be easier to do the service. The other thing that's very hard to ignore is obviously how ergonomic it is. They call it the Ergo, and there's a reason for that. There's something wonderful about holding this clipper. If you notice, your pinky is smaller and your index finger and your middle finger are bigger. The Gamma was created to allow for that. So around the top of the handle, you notice it's thicker and it tapers down. And it's balanced absolutely perfect. I can hold it right in the middle. And not many clippers are balanced to where you can just literally hold it like that with one finger. So I gotta give them credit for how ergonomically beautiful this is to work with. And it's just been fantastic to hold in the hand, but it did take a tiny bit of getting used to. Once I found the way to hold it that I like, I was able to rock my C motion, move into those upper lengths where I began blending my next steps. There was a day or two during the 2-month period I've been testing this that I forgot it at home, and I was forced to go back to using my wall Magic Clips and my wall Seniors, and I really wished that I had it back.
No!
So that's definitely a big plus. The other thing that I noticed right off the bat was the battery life was absolutely incredible. If anything, Gamma has undersold themselves by saying that the battery life was only 100 minutes or only 2 hours as it says on the box. I'm here to tell you I'm able to work all day long Saturday, which is my busiest day, and I never even plug it in. I don't even think about the charger, and yes, there was times where I left the charger home. Most days I was easily able to do between 12 and 17 haircuts with it without even worrying about a charge. So what does that kind of mean? I would think that anybody who is a traveling barber, someone who cuts hair and has to be on the move and doesn't know if they can plug in anywhere, I don't see a better option right now for you than the Gamma Ergo. One of the other great things about it is it comes with a stand. So whenever you're not using it, bam, put it right down there in a stand. It looks premium. My clients do ask about it. They're like, hey, is that a new clipper? Like, they notice it. It's got some style to it, which is the other thing that's great too, is they give you a bunch of different shells, a lot of different customizable options. And for somebody like me who gets bored kind of easy, it's fun to switch it up once in a while. Even my customers think I'm getting new clippers all the time when really I'm just changing the lid. Of course you can zero gap the blade, but the blade has more going on than just that. Most clippers can zero gap now, so that's not a problem, but it has this black diamond blade. It stays cooler, it stays sharper, and I'm here to tell you, it's never even really gotten warm, and it cuts through the hair. I have had no issues, no snags, no pulls, not in the open position, not in the closed position. And one of my other favorite features that is starting to come with some of these clippers is the click taper option. So we have all these different clicks to know exactly where you are, and it just makes fading a breeze. And I'll admit, when I first switched to one of these click style, I didn't really like it that much, but once I began kind of using it more and more, I actually started to really like it and realized, like, why guess where I'm at with it? It's just so nice to have a click, feel it seat right into that position, and know that I'm not gonna make a mistake in my blend. This clipper comes in around $180, and one of the other cool things that you get along with it is you get some really premium magnetic guards. So I gotta give them credit for these awesome guards that they add in here with the magnetic guards. They fit perfectly, they hold great, and they don't chew up your guards when you have your clipper zero gap. So it's in the closed position. I'll turn it on. You can hear it's touching, but just a little bit, because if I move the taper back, it's not touching at all. I think that these guards are super usable and a nice addition for the fact that you actually get that along with your purchase. Personally, I prefer the wall blades. I always have. I love the color blades. I just love the fact that they're different colors. So that would be something I would tell Gamma to do in the future, is if you could just make these different colors, something that we would all enjoy, to be able to just spot it right away, know exactly which one it is, put it on, go. But it's really not that difficult to see. They got them labeled really good, and it's pretty cool that you get this and a stand. And your charger is a very low profile charger. It's very small. One of the things that gets pretty annoying after you buy enough equipment is you're running out of places to plug things in. So I really do appreciate whenever a company makes it small enough that I can actually plug two side by side into one of my surge protectors. And probably the most important factor of all is, how does it actually perform when I'm fading? And I'm here to say I've never had any snags, any pulls, and I find this clipper to be extremely effective at erasing any skin line, no matter how harsh I put it in. So it's just been an absolute joy to work with this clipper, and I can't thank them enough for how generous they've been by sending me several throughout this time, allowing me to test different blades, making me feel like I'm a part of the process. So once again, I want to thank Stylecraft and Gamma for all the support they've shown this channel. Now let's go on to the negatives. We got to hit them, because I want to preface this by saying that no clipper is perfect, and when you come through the gauntlet around here, I'm definitely going to tell you exactly how I feel. So let's get into the negatives. And I'll be honest, it was really hard for me to find something I didn't like about this clipper. So what I found was, when the hair is wet and you try to cut it with this clipper, it definitely bogs down a little bit. It definitely doesn't cut as efficiently as it does when it's dry. Knowing this, I don't do it when it's wet. It hasn't really been an issue. It's not gonna mow through the hair like the Andis Masters cordless is, but it gets through the hair absolutely perfect as long as that hair is dry. The other thing that I would say is, clipper over comb was never really a big problem, but if you have a client that has an extremely high density of hair, the amount of hair per square inch is extremely great, this clipper isn't the clipper that I would pick for it. I would, of course, pick my detachable, because two reasons. I don't want this to go dull, I don't want to put unnecessary wear on this, and this is not going to get through quite as efficiently. But as far as clipper over comb, just some small details, it performs absolutely great. But it sounds like we're back on track to be getting these things released to you very soon. I know what you're thinking. I've talked pretty good about this clipper, and that's because it really is the real deal. It's really the one that I'm using. I'm not interested in anything else right now. I love using this. So if you are interested in purchasing a pair of these clippers, you guys can use my code Eddie and you can save 10% and get free shipping. So the link is in the description. You can head over to Gamma or you can head over to Stylecraft. You put in this code Eddie, you're gonna get 10% off. I just want to thank you guys for checking out this video and let me know what you think about the Gamma Ergo. So far, my first impressions, I think they're just awesome and I can't wait to go use this new one, the final iteration. And I will of course be doing an update on the final iteration very soon. Once again, this is the YouTube Barber Academy. I am Mr. Eddie Barber and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.
Wait a minute, before you guys go, I want to invite you to hit that bell, hit subscribe, and stick around because we're going to go live all the time. It's far more interactive, it's a lot more intuitive, you'll learn a lot more, and we'll go through this video and many others as we continue to grow. We build off each lesson from the last week, so don't miss out on that opportunity. It's free, it's fun, and we're going to have a good time and a lot of guests, and we do giveaways. So I encourage you guys, hit subscribe. Other than that, man, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.